Consumer Cellular, now a Verizon subsidiary, provides 5G access. They use Verizon's 5G infrastructure, operating on spectrum bands N41 and N78 for fast connectivity. APN settings are crucial for connecting your device to their network for fast data, MMS, and hotspot use. For optimal performance, especially on unlocked devices, manual APN configuration might be necessary. The key settings ensure your device correctly routes data over their network. Here's how to configure your APN settings for Consumer Cellular. For fast data, use the APN CC data with IPv6 protocol. For MMS, the MMSC is msc@mobilebio.net with proxy.mobile.net on port 80, an artifact of a historical partnership. For hotspot, use the same CC data APN, but specify the APN type as default done. Incorrect settings can lead to connection issues or slow speeds. Always refer to Consumer Cellular's official website for the latest, most accurate settings. Double-check that your MCC is 310 and MNC is 410.